Hey, so I'm just leaving my morning work. Hope you can hear me. And this is how it looks when everybody leaves. I usually wouldn't do it, but I thought I could show around. So it's a little bit of a walk to my car. So I'll just cut it for a moment. Hey, so it's 10:11 a.m. and as you can see, it's raining, which is really good for this wildfire season that's been happening in Alberta. Mm, I guess I'm just lucky that didn't get too wet. Cause when I was like on my way to my car, here I'll show you the result. Wait. Where am I? Oh, there I am. Okay, maybe I'm dry. I'm dried off a bit. But I was a little wet, and maybe I didn't have the correct rain jacket. So, oh, maybe one moment. I'll show you how it looks. One moment. Okay, I don't want to get out of my car, but that's how it looks outside. Oops, why am I zooming out? There you go. It's like moderate to heavy rain. And now I can't tell if it's just because of the rain or if it's also smoky. Maybe I can quickly check my app. But yeah, a lot of heavy pour and maybe some streets are kind of flooded. So, wait, let me close my window. I usually don't do that, and I know maybe the water might mess up the controls here. But hold on. Okay, I thought that would work. But I was just checking the temperature, and currently it's 9 degrees Celsius, and the time is now 10:14 a.m. So yeah, probably for my afternoon work, I'll bring my raincoat or umbrella and drive safely. Here's the cool part of my car. So yeah, it even gets the temperature outside. So according to that, it says 10 degrees Celsius. So it's kind of a cooler day. Yeah, before I go, maybe I'll just say a few words after I finish my coffee. Oh, it's a good. I didn't finish my first coffee. Okay, sorry. So, yeah. I keep trying to upload videos as much as I can, and I try to keep it unique and original, and I try not to bore you guys. So hope all is well. I guess I'm kind of missing a friend that went away for a week, but I guess the friend will come back 1 week from now, or I'll see him 2 weeks from now. Anyways, I don't want to bore you with that too. So, yeah, thank you to my 38 subscribers. I'll try not to let you down, and I'll try to make it fun and original. in my own way. Maybe just to end it short, it's not a smoky day, so that's good. So until then, keep warm, keep dry from the rain, and like, subscribe, and comment with positive vibes. Wow! Peace out.